Buy low and sell high with AJ. Let's get right into it. Early morning. Today is August 24th, 2022. The current time is 10 a.m. I was supposed to do this video since earlier this morning, but I didn't get a chance to. All right. The highlights of today is this. The last day, last 2 days actually, it's been kind of really tough for the market. The market has been kind of like ingesting like a Jackson Hole, interest rate hikes, putting a lot of fear into the mix of, what's going on as far as the vast market is concerned and things like that, right? So, okay, let me get straight to the point about what I'm looking at and also what I'm trading. All right. The thing that I'm trading is Zoom, ZM, all right? They had a bad earnings and the stock dipped down all the way towards $80, okay? But the good news is that Cathie Woods brought I would say $68 million worth of shares on the dip. It sold off yesterday also. The earnings was on Monday afternoon, and the dip occurred in the after hours, and it continued to dip the next following day. So Cathie Woods picks up $68 million worth of Zoom and things of that nature. Okay, so I would suggest don't misconstrue it as stock advice or whatever. You do your due diligence. I feel like Zoom went down a little too low, and I think they might be an early recovery on the stock, but they got to be a couple of things that work out for that to occur. Okay. All right. So like I said, the market has been selling off and it's still borderline selling off right now. Okay. So either you guys could do an option call dated out 2 weeks ahead or further out into the future, or you could just buy the stock outright. Currently right now it's trading at $83. All right. It went down to 80 this morning and it popped back up. All right. So there's a couple of good things that could possibly work in our favor concerning Zoom stock. First of all, there might be a rush of buyers that come in that want to buy the dip, just like Cathie Wood brought the dip. Because to be honest with you, the earnings wasn't that bad in my perspective. But I'm not a stock analyst, so I may be wrong, okay? So now, the things that could work in our favor is that all the tech earnings pretty much for the last couple of days has been positive, okay? Except for Zoom. But most of it's been positive. Intuit, ticker symbol INTU was good. What's the other one? Let me get my thoughts together. The other one is it's a big company. Dang. Okay, Palo Alto was good. The stock jumped up after earnings, okay? So now, today, we got Autodesk, ticker symbol ADSK. Then we got Salesforce, CRM. And then we got, what's the other one? We got Snowflake, SNOW. And Snowflake, listen, Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway has a large stake in Snowflake, okay? I don't think big money gonna let anything go wrong with the earnings. All right, follow big money. Okay, so we have some heavyweights this afternoon reporting again. So another one is also NVIDIA. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. All right, that's reporting in the after hour. Okay, so it might be a catalyst for the NASDAQ to kind of go up. But right now, like I said, it's still selling off. It's in between. So we got to be patient, all right, on the Zoom stock. So now, with that being in mind, just remember that Jackson Hole starts tomorrow, right? Jackson Hole starts tomorrow, and then on Friday, and it goes into the weekend, all right? I don't feel like Jerome Powell is going to say anything different than he's been saying. He still doesn't have enough data to either, like, you know, be hawkish or whatever it might be. He already raised interest rates, so we don't know what they're going to do for the next interest rate hike. They might be moderate with it. And there's other things to factor in, not just the interest rates. The Fed has the balance sheet to, like, adjust. So there's a lot of different things they got to do. So right now, the market is being scary in front of Jackson Hole for whatever reason, but the tech earnings has been good, all right? So just remember, just focus on that Zoom stock and try to buy the dip on that Zoom stock. And another one you guys got to watch out for is, what is that one again? It's at $60 right now. DocuSign, ticker symbol DOCU, okay? All right, so focus on Zoom and see if you could buy that dip on Zoom. My price target for Zoom in the near future is definitely like $90 and above, but I would say $90. That's my price target, all right? I'm putting it on the map right now. That's my price target on Zoom in the near future, okay? So this is what I want to hit you guys with in this early morning. I'm not going to keep you guys for too long. Just remember the things that I told you, that the earnings tonight might be a positive catalyst for the NASDAQ with these tech earnings. And also, you know, going into the Jackson Hole. Once we get into the Jackson Hole, and then, you know, Fed Powell speaks on Friday, okay, at, I believe, 10 a.m. So look for the reaction to the market, the reaction of the market after he speaks. You're going to see the initial reaction. So this is all just a build-up, and I really feel like it's a build-up for really nothing. You understand? Really nothing. So that's it. I'm going to leave you guys. Have a good morning. Have a blessed one. And just keep focused on the stocks. Keep buying the dips on good quality stocks and stocks that you believe in. And just let's keep it moving. Know we heard first. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Like and subscribe. Share with others. And one more thing, let's do this. Peace.